If you're experiencing login failures in Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be preventing you from accessing the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. A poor connection can lead to login failures. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve login issues. Step 4. Reset your password. If you suspect that your login credentials may be incorrect, try resetting your password. Follow the password recovery process on the Call of Duty login page to create a new password and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Call of Duty support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you receive to help them diagnose and resolve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate login failures in Call of Duty. If problems persist, staying in touch with support can provide further guidance.